Dear students, how are you? I am fine. But I have to say that you all have prepared your first assignment. In the next week, you will get the question of second assessment and you should prepare it your second assessment. Now, I am taking your class 8 English past paper, Unit 5. Unit 5, the topic is making a difference. Making a difference. Making a difference. Dear students, open your book at page 44. In these topics, you have seen that in the picture there are 3 men, one male and 2 are female. Probably they will discuss about a sari, different boutique, different color and different design and different price of this. After studied the unit, we will be able to read and understand. Read and understand. Read and understand. Infer meaning. Infer meaning. The next, listen for information. Listen for information. And next, ask and answer questions. Answer questions. All are learning outcomes. In this lesson, making a difference, if you have studied this lesson, you will be able to learn, read and understand, infer meanings, listen for information, ask and answer questions. So, open your book at 44. Lesson on the topics is the beginning. The topic is the beginning. Unit 5, making a difference, and lesson on the beginning. So, listen to me and follow your book. First, I am reading your lesson slowly and silently. You will follow me and you will learn it. There is a small village called Bhawanipur in Zineda. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Shamima is now 32 years old. She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Kono. She runs a small boutique called Oikko Narikollan Sangstha in her village. It's her. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. Dear students, you have heard my topics and you will able to learn that in these topics we are describing about a female, about a woman who is ill-fated in the society. About the ill-fated life, she dreamed a light dream in her life. So, she joined a Sangstha named Oikko Narikollan Sangstha in her village for her future life. For her future life shining, she was working. So, you will be able to learn about some topics, about some question and able to answer the question. Now, I am writing some questions. Number 1. Where is Bhawanipur? Where is Bhawanipur? Can you say where is Bhawanipur? Yes. You all have able to say about the question of the where is Bhawanipur. You will be able to say that Bhawanipur is a small village in Jhineda. Okay. Number 2 question. Why is Shamima extraordinary? Why is Shamima extraordinary? Can you say why is Shamima extraordinary? Yes, you can. You will be able to learn and say about this person. Number 3. How old is Shamima? How old is Shamima? It's easy answer. Very easy answer. Shamima is 32 years old. What is Oikko? What is Oikko Narikollan Sangstha? And the next question is how she succeeded. How he succeeded it. Dear students, at first you will read the topics silently and you will able to learn it most carefully. Now I am answering the question, where is Bhabanipur? Bhabanipur is a small village in Jhineda. Why is Shamima extraordinary? Shamima is extraordinary because she was ill-fated in the society. So she wants to make up her mind in future. So she was extraordinary. She is extraordinary. How old is Shamima? Shamima is 32 years old. What is ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা? ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা is a সংস্থা where the ill-fated women work for boutique design, famous designer, as a famous designer, etc. How is she succeeded? She succeeded for her hard working, and about many women in her joined in her society. They helped her and she succeeded it. So you will write in your exercise book, and after and the second assessment, if you get this question, you will write it smoothly. So thank you very much.